Hello, fashionistas. Welcome to eFashion What? And thank God it's Friday, and you know how we do it on Fridays here on eFashion What. It's that moment where we present to you some of the very best, the top-notch styles making trend at the moment. And we are also promised in the last video to be showcasing to you some lovely dresses that can inspire you for the next Easter and Eid al-Fitr, and that is for the Muslim and Christian fashionistas on this very platform. And one unique feature to these styles is that they are modest styles. They are styles that will not only ensure that you exude that confidence, that poise, that finesse whenever you put them on. They are also styles that will command respect towards you wherever you find yourself. As usual, sit back, relax, and get yourself thrilled and stunned with what we have come through for you today from the beginning to the end. And most definitely, you will be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to those highly creative, highly resourceful, highly talented fashion designers who put all this together and avail us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. It is not by accident that this year's Easter and Eid al-Fitr will coincide, and it's going to be about a week and a half difference between them. And the styles in this very video are for every woman, regardless of your faith, regardless of your body type or preference of styles. We've got you most definitely covered in this very video. Just sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from this very video. And most definitely you'll be glad you did. So leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. And also don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this platform, and turn on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this very platform. My name is BJ, content director here at eFashion World and ambassador of African fashion, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
Tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Make me uncomfortable. Wow. The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay
video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.